Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to turn on and off subtitle setting in Plex application. Plex makes it easy to watch your media library with subtitles whether you prefer them on or off. Knowing how to toggle them quickly improves your viewing experience, so let's go ahead and find out how. First of all, launch open the Plex application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account as well. Once you're logged into the home page of Plex, go ahead and select a movie or episode you want to watch. From the display page, click on Watch Now to start watching your show or movie. Now, once your movie or show starts playing, go ahead and bring up the playhead and tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner. This will bring up the Settings tab where you need to click on Subtitles. If you want to turn on subtitles, then select any other subtitle available for the particular show or TV. In my case, English is available right now, so let's tap on it. Soon after you select the subtitle language, go ahead and play the movie or TV show, and you will be able to see the subtitles displayed at the bottom of your screen. To turn off the subtitle, go back to the same menu, bring the playhead option, tap on the three dots, and then click on Subtitle and select None in order to turn off subtitle setting. So that's how you can easily turn on and off subtitle in Plex. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.